Hey bro,
Bro, why you wait to you doing?
phone mo to, di ba? Dapat may stand tayo. Guys, magpa-break po kami. Ikaw magawa. Hindi stabilize. Hindi stable. So, hanap ko po kami ng rest pagtanggal. Tapos magba-bike kami.
Huh?
Tama ko, Rose Garden siya. Here,
Botanical Garden.
Rose Garden. Wala nga lang roses.
Such a disappointment, no?
Tambay tayo doon. Una. Busog pa ako, bro.
Sige, doon muna tayo.
Fast. Ang cute lang ako. Ay, behave. Sakto yung upo.
Doon eh. Excuse me. Ayan, bro.
Hindi ko na magsalita.
Alright. Wala na kami magagawa ngayon. Tambay lang kami dito sa Burnham muna. Rose Garden. Rose Garden. Ganda Rose Garden.
Hello.
Ganda niya. Pangit pala. Ito.
Ano?
Wala. Ah, sa'yo na.
Wait lang guys. Hindi yung kapatid ko. Ay, walang style. Ay, wait lang.
Matutulog lang muna ako.
Ang init dito kaya nagpayong ako. You good, bro? So, James, tell me about yourself.
Matutulog ako.
What's your age?
26.
Damn, you should have a family right now. What's your occupation?
Unemployed.
Do you have a family?
Yes.
How many
Si
kids?
Papa, si Papa.
What do you plan in the future?
To work.
What kind of work?
Toy.
What kind of work?
Tagabuhat ng bigas.
Tagabot na bigas. Ano pa? Do you go to school?
Not anymore.
What did you finish?
High school.
High school. Hindi na pumasok ng college.
Hindi.
Do you have friends?
Yes.
No, you don't.
I do have friends.
Do you have best friends?
Yes.
Do you have girlfriends? Bakit?
Are you ready? Aral mo na, hindi wala.
Mag-aaral. Akala ko nagtatrabaho ka na.
Unemployed nga eh.
Wala to. Walang trabaho, guys. Ba't ka ngayon sa labas? Wala ka palang trabaho eh.
Nagmamanginis ako dito sa labas.
Wow, ganda na perma mo. Maliwas.
Oh, sorry. Fake news mo. 16 po ako. Ready ako
Ano? What's your real age?
My real age is 16. My Facebook is my Games.
Hindi ko tinanong yung Facebook mo.
I hope you can find me over there. I'm ready for a relationship. Oh,
Oh shit, patay ka kay Papa dyan.
never mind.
Ano, what's your, saan ka nag-aaral?
Sa Baguio City National High School. Right over there.
Sa puno? Ah, doon, okay.
It's close to SM.
Oh, nice. Kaya pala eh. Baka doon ka nagla-lunch.
May paano akong lunch.
Ay, okay.
Lutong bahay. Of course, I gotta appreciate my mother's cook.
Ay, wow.
Of course.
Ano pa? What do you plan to take this senior high school?
I plan to take films.
Wow.
But if it's possible, like my second choice will be arts and design.
Wow, arts and design. Mo, mahilig ka mag-drawing.
Of course. I like to compete with my friend. Yung kaibigan ko nga sa grade 9 yun, ang galing niya mag-drawing, parang super, na yun, parang semi-realism.
Wow.
Tapos,
Ikaw naman anime.
naman din ako, semi.
Okay, sige.
Nag-drawing din ako ng parang infrastructure, and mga buildings, gano'n.
What do you plan to take on when you're on college?
College. Kapag na-continue ko dun sa Arts and design.
Arts and communication.
Yeah, probably that. Or yung ano, parang fine arts. Meron ba doon?
Okay. Where do you plan to go to college?
Where do I plan? BSU.
Ano full name nun?
Benguet State University.
Saan siya?
Saan siya? Sa La Trinidad. Of
Mm.
course.
Nabusog ka sa milk tea. Ay, sa ano pa pinigay ko sa'yo? Ano pa kayo?
Tapos, kapag di naman dun sa arts and design, yung sa Hughes, yung kukunin ko doon, criminology.
Not by heart.
No, criminology.
Criminal?
Hindi, criminology.
Ay, akala ko.
Wow.
Bakit?
Criminology. Bakit? Gusto kong maging police.
Hmm.
Ay, hindi, parang ano na yun. Kasi madaming din option dun eh.
Ano?
Baka may need ako kapag natapos ko yung criminology. Police or ano, lawyer.
Maglo-lawyer ka?
Parang baka maano ko pressure.
Pag maglo-lawyer ka, you have to work.
Yes. Tapos,
Pero pag ano naman IT,
I think,
we have top grader PC.
wait lang. No ways.
Napapagod na ang pakamain ko.
Ikaw naman. Ilan na yung mga ex mo? Joke lang. Okay. What's your age? Ilang taon ka na?
I'm 20 years old.
Ha?
20 years old.
20 years old. Anong kinuha mo sa college?
Ano?
Anong kinuha mo sa college?
Secondary education.
And what
Major in English.
do you plan after finishing college?
Take my board exam. Review for 6 months. And finish it in 1 take.
Wow, isang take.
Oo, kakaya naman pag isa second take.
Di ba kapag isa second take mo, parang may bayad na yun ba? Or wala
May
pa rin?
bayad naman.
Ay,
Depende nga lang sa college. I heard na meron yung mga ibang kailangan mo magbayad. Meron din yung mga iba na for free lang.
may pumasok sa tenga ko.
O, ano na?
What do you think about Baguio right now? And its current... yeah. Ano pa?
Getting hot. It's gets cold and then it gets hot and then it rains. And there's a lot of people because of its vacation.
Tama yan. And... Di ba kapag nakatapos ka na sa college, anong trabaho yung kukunin mo?
Of course, teacher.
Saan ka teaching?
I'll take my first 2 years of experience sa STI if ever na matanggap ako. Basta any private institute na where I can get an experience in teaching and then lilipat ako sa government.
And
If ever I go abroad,
where do you want to go abroad?
Singapore.
Singapore. Why Singapore?
They pay the teacher well, unlike our country.
Yeah, that's true. Because yung country dito sa Philippines, underpaid yung mga teachers dito. They're underappreciated. So it's much better to teach abroad because mas well pa yung education nila, no? Tapos
Especially
pay.
the demand in English teachers.
Yep.
Ano pa?
Wait lang, nag-iisip ako. Ano yan?
Ayos mo ba makeup mo?
Oh, ayos pa rin.
Naghihintay na.
Sorry, wala akong maisip eh. I'm out of questions.
Oo, titignan lang din. Tagal naman ito.
Wait lang, pause ko lang muna kasi wala akong maisip eh. Alright, may question na ako. Saan ka pinanganak?
Ano ba isip?
Saan yung address mo? Joke.
Yun ang di ko alam.
Alright.
Mas
What?
mainit doon.
So, where did you learn in what what elementary school did you learn from?
Bukban na lang.
And what do you think about Lukban Elementary School?
It was a good place, a good school. But I think there are like many influential students that, you know, that can bully, that are, who likes bullying, things like gang stuff. You know, like for example, going to the computer room and taking its Wi-Fi password and then using it.
And after elementary school, where did you learn in high school?
Baguio City National High School. From grade 7 to grade 10.
And in senior high,
STI College Park.
what did you take it from? What strand did you take?
Yung Humanities and Social Sciences.
Why did you take HUMS?
Because
What's the reason?
it is like, it links with the program that I want.
And that's
Qualification, being a teacher.
what inspired you to be a teacher? What inspired you to take HUMS and like that?
I've always been good at like I've always been good at being around people, especially if it's like awkward, I can still start up a conversation. But then again, I had this knack in like teaching ever since I was like kinder. I'm very good at being around groupmates and teaching very well.
Ah. Okay, naubusan na ako ng questions. Wait lang.